Rotary Switches Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global rotary switches market size will be $915.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 3.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America rotary switches market size of $366.20 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 1.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe rotary switches market size of $274.65 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific rotary switches market size of $210.57 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America rotary switches market size of $45.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa rotary switches market size of $18.31 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.